Dear colleagues, this video is about the introduction of ModbusTCP master communication. Right-click device and select Add device. Select SNet and Add. Click SNet and select Add ModbusTCP master. Click ModbusTCP master and select Add ModbusTCP slave. Add a few ModbusTCP slave if there are a few slaves. Only one slave is connected here and one configuration is sufficient. Double-click SNet to configure the network. Select ETH link. If you select the above check, the IP configuration will also be downloaded after downloading the project. Double-click ModbusTCP master to configure the master. Select Automatically Restart Slaves. Double-click ModbusTCP slave to configure the slave station. The IP address and port settings of the slave station must be the same. Add the address to communicate here. The channel name can be set by yourself. Multiple access types are supported. It includes coil, holding register read and write, and discrete input and analog register access. 3 trigger types are supported: cyclic, rising edge, and application trigger. The following configuration of the 3 trigger types. To see the specific use of the demonstration, cycle trigger, just set the trigger cycle to automatically transmit channel data. Here set the start address and length of the data offset of the slave station to be accessed. This setting indicates that data is written to 5 consecutive addresses starting from the slave station wobbling. Channel E is configured to read data from 5 consecutive addresses, starting from wobbling of the station by triggering a rising edge. Channel R is configured to send data to 5 consecutive addresses, starting from station Q0.0, triggered by the application. Channel Psi is configured to read data from 5 consecutive addresses, starting from station Q0.0 via periodic trigger. An initial assignment can be performed on this page. The configured channel parameters appear in the I/O mapping. You can also map addresses to variables in your program. Download the project into PLC. Channeling is period triggered and data is automatically transferred. Channel E is triggered by the rising edge, and the data transmission can be carried out only when the rising edge signal is given to the triggering variable. Channel sign is cyclically triggered, so the slave station data can be read in real time. Channel R is triggered by the application. The corresponding pin of Modbus needs to be triggered before data transmission can be performed. Call the Modbus instruction in the program. Here should be the name of the station. This pin is triggered once to transfer the channel data once. Enter the corresponding channel number here. Data can be transmitted once the function block is triggered. The status of the slave station can be obtained from the master slave station pin parameter. After the slave station is disconnected, the status changes. Communication resumed after the connection was reconnected. You can view the corresponding master slave station function block pins and error code meanings in the library manager. about the introduction of ModbusTCP master communication. That's all. Thank you.